Hello dear students. Last time we have started electric dipole concept. Now today onwards let us start the numericals on the concept of electric dipole. First numerical, what is that? A dipole experiences a torque. A torque of how much? √3 Newton meter. Torque given. When it is placed in uniform electric field at an angle theta is equal to 60 degrees. The work required to bring it 60 degrees is what? So torque given, theta given, they are asking work. Correct? First of all, let us draw the diagram of the dipole. What is that? So imagine that this is, what is that? This is, I am taking that electric field. That electric field is E bar. And what angle they have given now? This is the dipole. That dipole, for example, dipole moment of P bar, and this angle, how much they have given? That angle is 60 degrees they have given. Correct? Right? Now, so that is a diagram for us. First of all, let us take the data first. What they have given now? So torque tau given. Torque tau is equal to how much? That is equal to √3 Newton meter they have given. Next, what theta is equal to how much given? 60 degrees they have given. But what is the question here? So now they are asking that work is equal to how much? So work formula what? Work formula W is equal to, we know that, so P E into 1 minus cos theta. They have not given theta 1, theta 2. Therefore, means what? They are bringing the dipole from stable state. From the stable state means what? To that angle how much? 60 degrees. Therefore, now in this case. But tell me one thing. So theta is there. Theta is equal to how much? 60 degrees they have given. But what about the P into E? Means what? Electric field value they have not given. This value not given. And the dipole moment value also not given. Next, what I am taking that? From the torque formula, we know that from the torque, what is the formula? Torque tau is equal to P into E into sin theta, right? From this formula, torque value what they have given? √3 is equal to P into E, right? P into E into sin theta. Theta value what? That is the sin 60 degrees, right? Therefore, now √3 is equal to, you can get P into E into sin 60 value what? Sin 60 value √3 by 2, is it? So now from this what we can get? This √3 get cancelled. Therefore what you will get now? PE is equal to, you can get, that is the value. Therefore the product of the dipole moment and electric field combined value equal to 2. Therefore work formula what? Work done formula. Now work done formula W is equal to P into E into what? 1 minus cos theta. Just you substitute the values, you can get the answer. That is equal to P into E value what? We got that 2 and 1 minus cos 60. Therefore now what? Cos 60. Therefore what you will get for this one? Now 2 into 1 minus cos 60 value what? 1 by 2. If you simplify it, you can get the answer what? That is equal to 1 joule. Therefore now the work how much you got? That work is equal to 1 joule. Therefore out of the 4 options, which one is the correct answer? Therefore now first that option C is the correct answer for this question. Now let us discuss the second problem. What is the second problem? A dipole of charge. Dipole charge given 1 millicoulomb and its length, how much it is? 20 centimeter they have given, is in a stable state in a uniform electric field of 5 into 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb. When it is taken to unstable state, okay na, the potential energy of the dipole is. So 3 formulas we have discussed, no? Torque, work and potential energy. First of all, let us collect the data first. So here what is that? So now here, so first of all, charge given, how much? The charge they have given, charge Q is equal to, how much it is? 1 milli. Milli means 10 power minus 3 coulomb, right? Next what? length of the dipole. Length of the dipole is what? 2 into A. Okay, not A. So please be careful. 2 into A is equal to how much? 20 centimeter. So 20 into centimeter, that is not SI unit, we have to convert into what? So that is minus 2 meters I have taken. Okay, na? Therefore that is a length. Next, what is they have given? Electric field value. Electric field value, what? E is equal to, they have given 5 into 10 power 4 Newton per Coulomb they have given. Next question is what? When it is taken unstable state. What is the meaning of unstable state? First of all, let us take that. So this is I am taking that direction of electric field. And what is that? Initially the dipole is in stable state, therefore this is the initial dipole. Therefore now what they said, so when it is in stable state, they are bringing like this. After some time, what is that? It is coming to into unstable state. Already I told you in the previous class what is the meaning of the stable, what is the meaning of unstable. When it is bringing unstable, now how much angle it is rotated? The angle rotated theta is equal to what? 180. Therefore, whenever they will mention unstable state, from the stable equilibrium condition to, we have to bring in opposite direction. That is nothing but what? Unstable state. We confirmed. Therefore, theta is equal to how much we confirmed? Theta is equal to, we confirmed that. So 180. Why? Because it is in unstable state. Now write the formula and substitute all values, we can get the answer. Therefore, what is that? So the potential energy formula, what? U is equal to minus P into E cos theta. This formula I have given. Therefore, that is equal to minus P. P value given? No. First of all, let us calculate the P value first of all. But that P is equal to, you can say P is equal to what? 2A into Q. This is the value, correct? Because the product of the length of the dipole and charge of the dipole is called as dipole moment. 2A value, what? 2A value. So if you simplify, you will get what? 20 into 10 power minus 2, nothing but what? 2 into 10 power minus 1 into charge value, what? 1 into 10 power minus 3. Means what? That is the 10 power minus 3. Orally you will get what? So you total you can get that 2 into 10 power minus 4 units you will get. Therefore now your P value, how much you got? P value minus 2 into 10 power minus 4 into E. E value how much? E value 5 into 10 power 4. Therefore you substitute, what will get? 5 into 10 power 4. Yes. Last what? Cos theta. Theta value how much we confirmed? Unstable state means what? 180. Therefore now you can substitute what? Cos of 180. Now if you simplify, you will get that. So now what is that? This 10 power minus 4, 10 power plus 4 cancel. Therefore 2 5 is how much? 2 5 is 10. Therefore now that is minus 10 into, now your cos 180 value what? Cos 0 plus 1, cos 90 0, cos 180 minus 1. Therefore now you can get, this is what? Minus 1. Minus into minus becomes what? Plus 10 joules. Therefore now this is the answer. Therefore out of the 4 options, A, B, C, D, what is the correct answer? Now the first one is the correct answer. Here the remembering point is, what is the meaning of unstable? Theta is equal to 180. Here if they will not give the dipole moment direct value, they should give the charge of the dipole and the length of the dipole. And this is the problem for, this is the second problem for you people. Now let us discuss the third problem. Now you see a charge of minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb, right? A charge of minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from center of your dipole of dipole moment 4 coulomb meter on its axial line. The force experienced by charge is what? Very different question. So still now we have not discussed this concept, but this related to the concept only. This concept is related to the electric field for dipole. Two cases we have discussed. No? One is due to a point on axial line, due to a point on equatorial line. It is axial line only, therefore no problem. So, and one more point is what? So, two types of formulas I have given for short dipole, for long dipole. But here they have not mentioned whether it is short or long dipole. But in such cases, you have to take only short dipole formula. Okay, first of all, let us draw the diagram. What is that? Here I am taking that. This is the one dipole I am taking that. So, this is what minus q and this is what plus q. But what is that? This is another charge. This is not a charge of the dipole. Charge of the dipole they have not mentioned. What they placed at this point, they placed another charge. That charge, for example, capital Q. From where? From the center. This distance how much given? X is also given or not? X is equal to how much? 20 centimeter given. Therefore now at this point, when you keep this charge particle, how much of the force it experiences? That is the question. So now first of all, at this point, what you have to calculate? Electric field we have to calculate. Why? Why? Because according to electric field definition, what I told you, E is equal to force experienced per unit charge or not? So now from this, what is the force experienced? Force experienced E is F is equal to what? E into Q. Q given how much? That is minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. But what you have to find out? Just at this point, you have to find out the electric field. That's it. Remaining as usual. But you see the observe the these options. So they have given direction of the force experienced also. That's why this problem is completely different. First of all, our point is what? We have to find out electric field first of all. Now you see. Now, so let's go. First of all, I am calculating at this point electric field first. Therefore, now electric field for axial line what? That electric field, you know that E is equal to what? That is equal to K into what is that? 2P by x cube. Is it correct? Therefore, this is the what? Formula for electric field for a point on the axial line. Okay, you solve it. What is that? That is equal to, you can get K is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Again, its value what? 9 into 10 power 9. 9 into 10 power 9 into 2 into, so P value. So dipole moment value what they have given? You see, dipole moment 4 coulomb meter. Therefore 4 I have taken divided by, so x cube. X is equal to what? 20 centimeter. Convert into meter. 20 into 10 power minus 2 becomes what? 2 into 10 power minus 1. Therefore now 2 into 10 power minus 1. So what is that? X cube. Therefore that is 3. Now you can get answer what? That is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 into, so 2 4s are 8 divided by, so now 2 cube how much? 8 into 10 power minus 1 into whole power 3 what? 10 power minus 3. Therefore 8 cancel. What is the electric field? Therefore 9 into 10 power, this 10 power minus 3 goes upside, it becomes the plus 3. Therefore plus 3 plus 9, it becomes what? 10 power 12. So Newton per coulomb. This is the electric field. I hope all of you understand. Therefore now what is that? From the formula, which formula? From the formula, from electric field definition, E is equal to force experienced by the charge. Therefore that is equal to, from this what you can get? F is equal to Q into E. I am taking that. Therefore now force experienced, F is equal to, you see there is only plus plus plus. That's why I am not taking this minus. What is the importance of the minus? Let us discuss later. Now you see here Q value what? I am taking that 2 into, so 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6 into, so E how much you got? 9 into 10 power 12. If you simplify, you can get what? F is equal to, so 2 9s are 18 into 10 power 6 Newton. This is the correct answer. But you see here, first option, second option, third option, fourth option, out of the 4 option, so this is wrong, because this is also wrong, because we got 10 power 18 into 10 power 6, 18 into 10 power 6. But you see here what they have given? Away from the dipole. Here what they have given? towards the dipole. Once again, let us draw the dipole. Therefore, now what is that? This is, I am taking that. So dipole, and this is what 1 point on the axial line. Therefore, this is 1 point on the axial line. Therefore, now here what distance they have given? This distance from the center, x is equal to given. Now tell me, for any point on the axial line, so what is that? This is negative charge, this is positive charge. Now the electric field is always away from the dipole, because so now what is that? This is the direction of electric field. Why? Because so dipole moment P and electric field both are in the same direction. Therefore, electric field is away from the dipole. So what you feel that the force is also away from the dipole, but you think it, what is that? That is minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Therefore, now whenever you place one minus charge here, the force always experiences in the opposite direction of the electric field. Therefore, when a negative charge is placed in the uniform electric field, it experiences a force in the opposite direction. When a positive charge is placed in the uniform electric field, it experiences the force in the same direction of electric field. Therefore, we know that for any axial point, the direction of electric field and a dipole moment both are in the same direction, means what? Away from the dipole. But due to this negativity of the given charge, we can confirm that the force experienced in opposite direction. Therefore, now this is the force. Therefore, now this arrow indicates what? Towards. Therefore, what is the correct answer now? Now the second option, option B, is the correct answer. Please and be careful while solving such type of the problems. Now last two problems are homework for you, and these two are very simple problem. Out of the three problems, I have explained that last third problem is somewhat thinkable, but remaining all problems are very easy problem. Here see the question and solve it. What work requires to bring a dipole of moment 1 coulomb meter from 60 degrees to 90 degrees in a uniform field of 4 into 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb. So two formulas I have given for the work. Okay, and you decide what are those formulas, and just you solve and you select which option is the correct out of the 4 given options in this problem. Next problem, what? Also very simple problem. So now we have calculated one electric field for the axial point of your dipole in problem 3. Same here, same like that only, but here this is not axial line, this is just equatorial line. There we have solved extra point, that is the force experienced, but here not need to find like this, only electric field you have to find out. Just see the question and take the all the values what I have given. 1 meter distance, 30 centimeter length, this is the length of the dipole, this is the distance of the measuring point from the center of the dipole, and please be carefully solve, and all options are looking similar, but out of them which one is the correct, and you decide and send the solutions to my WhatsApp number, and have a nice day.